So we got this one now. And the original. We'll just bevel it. Okay, something like that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This one looks like that because I got a really heavy smoothing on. So, well, I can just change the surface really. I'm gonna make this one rotate like that, but using this tool, it's not that easy. So it's not really meant for doing that. So we'll use Translate Plus. Rotate, and you want segment. Segment is kind of like edge, really. So I'll base it on this edge here, this one, and rotate. Actually, I should have that background object. So looks a bit funky to me. So okay, now I'll try to stretch this one in that direction. Just find that cooler look, a better look. So, but how do you do that? Scale and axis, scale and segment, which is kind of right. You can take that one and that one. Sorry, that one and that one, but it's not going to do the right thing. So how? Actually, it's quite easy. I'll just take this one, bevel, this edge, connect, this edge, connect, and that will create 2 points here for you to use as a guide. So I'll just select these two guys, and again, Translate Plus, scale and axis, segment, or edge as I call it. Actually, that was the wrong direction again. Segment, there and there. So this one. And then you can go like that. And again, if you want to rotate it, segment this line here, this edge here, then go like that. So that's pretty satisfied with that. So now this was just a temporary object. So Shift Z to delete that. And I don't need these points anymore. So I'll delete those. Now you might want to use rounder for this one. You can either go like this, or you can make pole, choose to make pole. Up to you really how you go about it. This one is more limited actually, this method here. Depends on what you want to make. So multiply, make pole, more make pole. Now we can use rounder, so we'll take this one. Now we can loop it, and now we can actually I want to show you something. If you take this one, select the points, go to rounder, you can actually use this sort of like a bandsaw, which is kind of interesting. So actually now it worked. It's kind of strange. But this will give you a different result, I guess, if I use that method. Project said no. Let's try to see if there's a difference between those. So I'll take make pole, loop, rounder. Actually, no, it's pretty much the same. Okay, so you can use both methods, I guess. But that's good to know, though, that even though this doesn't loop because of this object here, even though that doesn't loop, you can still take that one, select the points, and use surrounder. Just set that to project inset. Yeah. So now I got something like this.